Hi everyone, what's up? It's Gabe, and today I am going to be unboxing everyone's favorite subscription box. Well, maybe not everyone's, but mine for the ones that I have tried. I have been a FabFitFun subscriber for probably like 2 years, and every single time I have loved their feature to customize what is gonna come in your box, so you know you're gonna get things that you like. But for some reason, this fall round, I completely spaced on it, didn't see the email, and so I have no idea what's inside this box. So I was a little annoyed with myself, but I'm gonna take that opportunity to show you what we have. I love the different artwork that comes every season. This is a beautiful box. I should probably think of a way to repurpose them because they're truly like pieces of art, but who knows? If anyone has any good ideas, let me hear them. Let's see. All right, so here's what it looks like inside. This is interesting that they have this brown paper because every other time they've had some tissue paper, so it looks like a present when you open them up, but maybe this is more eco-friendly, I'm not sure, but all right, drum roll. I'm gonna go through the magazine and then see what I would have personally picked versus what got sent to me. So here goes nothing. Okay, let's just see, I'll start at random. Okay, we have a vitamin mask that looks like this for a brand that I've never heard of, but it looks like there's a pack of 5 masks, and who doesn't love a little spa night? And you can try to convince your husband to put on a mask with you, even though mine never goes for it yet, but we'll see. We have some coupons to different things. Whatever, if you want to check those out. Oh, okay. This is a mason jar hydration kit. So it looks like a cup that's a mason jar, which is actually super cute because I am totally a smoothie fiend and I really enjoy drinking them out of mason jars. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, wow, that's not what I would expect a mason jar hydration kit to look like. But here we've got a sleeve and this cute bottle with a teal top. Super cool. Let's see what the top is like to sip. It's got like an open mouth, kind of like protein shake drinks, but this is really cool that this is glass because I don't love drinking out of plastic, and a lot of my shakers are plastic, so with the sleeve. Let's see, is there anything else in there? No. All right, so far, so good. Okay, and I'm seeing this next big item, which is a curling iron, which is already interesting because I have a curling iron that I really like, so I personally probably would not have picked it, but I will definitely try it. It's a wand, and I'm more of a clamp kind of gal, but this is a rose gold 25 mm curling wand. Interesting. I'd like to see what was the other option for that, but oh, a crease release. Okay, this says it removes wrinkles, and I am a big fan of the wrinkle release product that Febreze has, because who irons? Who has an ironing board? No, you spray some this bad boy on you and you're good to go. So this is a much more delicate version, a little bit bougier version than the Febreze wrinkle release, but this would be good for traveling, or maybe it's got less chemicals. I'll like read into it a little bit more in a second. What do we have here? Okay, so we have a golden superfood, some sort of shower gel, looks like some sort of bougie bath wash, pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. Interesting. I've never heard of this either, but I will say that FabFitFun specifically has put me on to some really great products that I have like then repurchased later on. And sometimes if they have done deals with certain products in past boxes, you can find those same things as add-ons that you can add to a box at a discounted rate. So if you love something from them, chances are, I mean, you still take your chances, but you could find it with them as well. Oh, this is super cool. Okay, this is a travel fork and knife thing that you can like throw in your bag, which I've ordered one of these off Amazon. It was terrible quality, but this looks awesome for like camping or a picnic, so you don't have to have reusable silverware. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then we have a spoon, a fork, and a knife all in this little bundle. And I'm guessing you could probably fit your reusable straws as well in there, all in one little convenient package. I'm not mad about that. And then we have a room spray by Daniel Stone in the, what is the scent? Is it, I don't know, I can't read it, but it's this. You get the point. Let's see. It's interesting. I don't know if I would have picked this scent off of like the shelf myself, but I'm not mad about it. And I could just be getting like too strong of a whiff where it's like it would disperse nicely. It's kind of a little more florally than things that I typically reach for. I like kind of like a tougher scent. And then the last thing in the box is, I have no idea. Okay, it's got a zipper. No, is this an infinity scarf? An infinity scarf with a hidden pocket. Personally, haven't worn an infinity scarf since, I don't know, middle school, but I love the effort here. I love a secret pocket, not my thing, and I'm guessing this is kind of what I was concerned about. Like, am I gonna get the stuff people didn't pick because I forgot to customize? I don't know. Well, let's see what we were able to get instead of the infinity scarf, because that was my least favorite thing by far. So then I can be annoyed at myself. Shall we? Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I can tell you already that I would not have picked the curling iron because I probably would have picked one of these bags that I think are an option too. And I would have not picked the infinity scarf because I will not wear it. I might have picked, it's hard to know what the other options are, it's kind of confusing the magazine, but this bracelet, if I could switch that out for that. So all in all, it's a good, fun box. It's fun to be surprised. Don't forget to customize. But it is what it is. It was my own fault. And so it's kind of interesting seeing what it's like if they do it by random. So, but all in all, I love FabFitFun. It's like $49, I think, a box, and the products, you get way more value. It's always been worth it, but I do think it has its perks when you are a year-long member and can get to pick and choose. But with that being said, all in all, not too mad. All right, well, thank you for watching. That's it for me today. Please like and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. All right, bye guys.